5 free AI tools you should already be using. And if you're not, you're doing things a slow way for no reason. All free. The honest limits included. Most people miss number 4 completely. 1. Claude. The free version thinks through a problem and writes cleaner than most paid apps. The catch? Heavy sessions hit a usage cap for a few hours. 2. Perplexity. Ask anything, get an answer with real sources, so you stop guessing what's true. The catch? The deepest research mode is limited per day on free. 3. CapCut. Auto captions, clean cuts, and effects that used to mean paying for an editor. The catch? A few of the flashiest effects are pro only. 4. NotebookLM. Drop in your documents and it becomes a tutor that only answers from your own sources or turns them into an audio overview. The catch? It only knows what you give it. It won't browse the web. 5. Ideogram. Free image generation that actually gets the text on the image right. Perfect for thumbnails. The catch? Free renders slow down when servers are busy. 5 tools, $0, and most people use none of them. The full toolkit is linked below. Subscribe for one honest tool a day.